Well, is the seller's market finally starting to cool off? With more inventory and rising equity, there's a shift happening, and you need to know what it means before your next move. So, what's going on? Well, we're seeing more homeowners enter the market, taking advantage of strong equity positions and starting to adjust to the mortgage rate realities. So, this has created slightly more inventory, especially in towns like Hackensack and Teaneck. While anything technically under 3 months of supply still favors sellers, we are seeing a gradual rise in inventory and longer days on the market, which could be the first signs of a shift towards a more neutral market. So let's dive into the May 2025 numbers for single-family homes across southern Passaic and Bergen counties. I want to start with Wayne because we've seen a ton of activity, and each month Wayne continues to grow stronger and stronger, now rising to an average home sale price over $825,000 and breaking the 12% increase in prices year over year. This is also important to note because homes in Wayne are still selling for 6.5% over their list price on average. And Hackensack is seeing very similar results with a slightly higher sale price to list, almost 9%. However, we are seeing inventory tick up in Hackensack, now being at almost 2.67 months of supply. In Teaneck, median values continue to rise, cresting over the $700,000 mark. Here again, homes selling for over list, and we're seeing that months of supply number break the 2 level. Also good that there's more inventory. But as you'll see as you look at the remaining towns in Hawthorne, Clifton, and Fairlawn, all of these towns are still selling strong, some breaking that 2 months of supply mark, others still hovering in the ones. And as we look at national and economic trends, mortgage rates nationally are hovering just at about 6.85%. Now, that has kept some buyers very cautious, but it is also slowly bringing some balance into the market. Meanwhile, U.S. homeowners are sitting on record-breaking equity, almost 17 trillion, yes, trillion with a T, dollars in equity. And of that, 11.5 trillion is available for homeowners to tap into. So many homeowners are using that equity to either renovate, relocate, or cash out and sell the property. The average homeowner now has a median net worth that is 40 times that of a renter. So if you are still renting and wondering when the right time to buy is, it is now. Take advantage of these rising equities and home prices and really secure your property before it passes you by. Now, what does all of this mean for you? If you're a seller, you're still in a great position, but your success now depends on having a strategy. Homes that are well maintained and priced correctly are still outperforming the market, both in sale price and number of days on market. Homes that are missing the mark, well, they are selling for under list price and they are sitting on the market considerably longer. So for buyers, inventory is slowly improving, and this means that there's more room to negotiate, especially as we head into summer and fall. So if you're a homeowner sitting on equity, now could be the right time to unlock it. If you're a buyer sitting on the sidelines, now is the time to get off the bench and get back into the play. So if you're not sure what all of this means for you, call or text. You can reach me directly at 973-662-4913. And whether you're buying or selling, I'm happy to craft and create a plan that's customized to you and your specific needs. As always, if the town you live in is not one of the towns that I featured, you can reach out to me as well, and I'm happy to provide you that information on the area that you live in. Thanks so much for listening, and I'll see you guys next month. Take care.